Welcome. Wherever you are right now, you are exactly where you need to be. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, and let your body begin to soften. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Again, breathe in and let it go. Tonight, the full moon asks nothing of you except your presence. Close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Feel the weight of your body held by the floor, by the chair, by the earth beneath you. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. You are supported. Take one more deep breath in, filling all the way to your belly. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Good. Now, imagine yourself standing outside on a clear night. The air is cool and fresh, carrying just the faintest hint of something green, something growing. The season is turning. You can feel it. Above you, the full moon hangs, bright and full, luminous, complete, generous with her light. She doesn't withhold. She simply shines. Her light falls over you like silver water, washing over the crown of your head, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your legs, all the way down through your feet and into the ground. You are held in this light. Somewhere near you, there are things beginning to bloom. Things that spent months underground, patient in the dark, trusting the process of their own unfolding. And now, here they are, rising. You are like that too. The full moon is a moment of illumination, a chance to see clearly what has been growing in you. So gently, without judgment, ask yourself, what in my life is ready to bloom? It doesn't have to be something grand. It might be a creative project, a relationship, a part of yourself you've been coaxing back into the light, a choice you've been circling. Trust what rises. The full moon doesn't ask you to force anything into flower. She simply shines her light so you can see. Place one hand on your heart if it feels right, and silently or out loud set one intention for this lunar cycle. Just one thing you are willing to tend with care, with patience, with trust. Take a long, slow breath in and release it completely. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers. Feel your feet. Let the room or the yard or wherever you find yourself come back around you gently. When you're ready, open your eyes. The moon is still there, even on cloudy nights, even when you can't see her. Her light doesn't stop just because it's hidden. And neither does yours. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.